Growth isn't about peaks, it's about flow. You don't live anchored through emotional highs, you live anchored through steady alignment. There will be days when you feel strong, days when everything feels clear, and days when motivation disappears. Flow is what carries you when emotions fade. Flow is rhythm without pressure, consistency without striving, movement without chaos. To remain in the flow means you don't overreact when you drift. You don't quit when you miss a day. You don't spike intensity to compensate for inconsistency. You return. Flow is built through return. Not perfection, not streaks, return. You've built awareness and practice. You've practiced surrender. You've strengthened your life. You've guarded your mind. Now the invitation is simple. Stay aligned. What to do today? Complete day 30. We've done that. Remain in the flow. Notice your current pace. Return unnecessary. Remove unnecessary pressure. Keep what strengthens you. Release what distracts you. And continue quietly. You don't need to escalate. You need to remain. So where do you tend to break flow? Overcommitting, overthinking, overcorrecting. So just reflect on that. And what does staying steady look like for you in this next season? So think about that. Flow isn't flashy, it's faithful. So remain anchored.